Hello, welcome to Fogwing Learning Center. Today, we will be discussing about machine monitoring system. Let's jump right into it. A machine monitoring system is a technology-driven solution designed to track, analyze, and manage the performance, health, and productivity of industrial machinery and equipment in real time or near real time. These systems utilize various sensors, data collection devices, and software applications to gather data on machine operation, performance metrics, and condition indicators. Machine monitoring systems offer insights into key aspects such as machine uptime, downtime, cycle times, production rates, energy consumption, and maintenance needs. By continuously monitoring machine parameters and operational variables, these systems enable proactive decision-making, predictive maintenance planning, and process optimization to maximize efficiency and minimize disruptions. We hope this information has been useful. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative content. For more details, visit our website, fogwing.io. We look forward to seeing you in the next video. Until then, take care.